Benedict Tso Vilakazi is the all-time top goal scorer for Orlando Pirates with 52 goals plus 32 appearances for Bafana Bafana.
If you understand what I'm talking about, you will say to me, so you are correct.
Now you can catch Tso live every Monday on Omni Audio, TikTok, Facebook, and X. Don't miss Tso's football wisdom exclusive to Omni.
Man. Now let's move on to the game between Kaizer Chiefs and AS Simba at the Dobsonville Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs scored 3 goals for the first time since March. The last time Chiefs scored 3 goals was when they played Stellenbosch FC in the Nedbank Cup. I think it was the quarterfinals. That's the last time Chiefs scored 3 goals. Ever since then, it's been 1-0, 2-1, 2-0, kanjalo, or even goalless draws. We saw Igiotaro finally scored for Kaizer Chiefs, which is nice to see him score in his debut in the CAF Champions League. Scored a very crucial goal. Lilepo played well. He also scored a crucial goal, missed a few chances. But yeah, amagola maningi lawa Messi, like Ulilepo also could have scored like so much. And then we saw Kwinika also scored. Mfundo Vilakazi creating 2 goals. Played very well, Mfundo Vilakazi. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs dominated that game where position is concerned. And they created so many chances. They could have won by an even bigger margin. But yeah, they did what we know them to do best. They couldn't score the chances. Krotman, what did you make of the result?
I'm a coach for life. Hey, this is a big team. This team... I knew that Chiefs will win. I knew. You know why I'm saying I knew? Because when I went to check the news in terms of how they've played away, I was so convinced that the Chiefs will win. No doubt. I knew because they've created a lot of chances, but they couldn't score. And then here they come. Igodaro. Guys, let me show you something again. When you've got a striker in the box, you're always going to have an advantage. Look at that ball, Ulilepo. When Ulilepo took a shot, goalkeeper Magai save la group. Magai save along Igodaro. Igodaro. Bam, 1. That's Amakosi for life. And then a good free kick from Mfundo Vilakazi. You know, that ball was really confusing everyone because the defenders, they were defending facing their goal post now. And if somebody tried to really touch the ball, it was going to be an own goal. But Lilepo. That header was so powerful. You know, you look at how he went up and that header. There was power in that ball. And that's very good. Well done, Mfundo. Those are 2 assists. But I didn't like how they conceded goal, man. The Chiefs. You know, sometimes, and when you look at the Chiefs, they've been better in terms of, like, conceding. They were, like, better. I don't know what happened with that hard low ball where Udonduzana, Umegabi, Aiden. Because Aiden, I think he wanted to clear it, then it just hit him here and then it went in. But nevertheless, I think Chiefs, they played well, they deserve to win.
Hotman, the coach clearly prepared well for this game because the Kaizer Chiefs, they were so different, eh? They're not like the Kaizer Chiefs that we see, especially in the league week in, week out. This time they were different. They looked like winners and they looked like they really, really wanted to advance to the next stage of the CAF Confederations Cup. Are you happy with the tactics the coach applied in this game?
Look, let me start here and make everyone to open their eyes. If I was part of the management of Kaizer Chiefs, to be really honest, I was going to tell the players, I was going to say to the team, let's not entertain the CAF Confederation Cup. One is, last season, without an extra trophy, we struggled last season. We ended up position 9 in the log. So this season, now we adding a trophy that you need to fight for. Whereas we've got other players that they're not going to give you what you expect. Because remember, when you play this, it going to take a lot out of you guys. At some point, you're going to get teams from the north that you need to travel to the north. Do you have a depth? Not numbers. A depth that will really, whoever that has been given a chance is going to do wonders for Kaizer Chiefs. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know.
How far do you see them go in this competition?
No, all the way. I'm a coach for life. There's one thing about Kaizer Chiefs that you guys must know. That I know. I know for sure. Way back when I was still young, supporting Kaizer Chiefs till now. Once Kaizer Chiefs they can go through first round, you must know that Chiefs would go all the way until the final. That's how Kaizer Chiefs they are. I had a serious debate with my colleagues. The season where Chiefs were playing Champions League. They were like, hey. Once the Chiefs they went through the first round, you must know that this is one team that will go all the way to the final. So even now, I still stand to say, bring them, and then we are in the final.